All right, guys, welcome back, everybody. It's such an amazing moment together again. As you all know, of course, it's definitely necessary and needful for us to do a review and a recap about some of the trade we gave out last week to checkmate our accuracies and, of course, uh, our prediction level. As last week, we gave you gold. I can still remember I give a pair a good signal on gold, and then that gold should be doing a possible buy. That was somewhere in 1 year, and the market bought just with about 60 pips or so, and market reversed. Some of us were able to take our profit that saw it coming. Why? Of course, it took some of us out. Let me say this trade wasn't successful because we're expecting it to come to this point before the reversal comes. Unfortunately, it reversed in the middle of the way, and then some were unable to take profit, while some that saw it offer smartly were able to take their profit. I'll call this 50%, not a successful trade like that. I won't call it 80%, I'll call this 50%. Okay, the other one we also have a look last week that I told you that's going to be doing is a massive stuff was Euro AUD. Don't forget I told you as well as I told you, but I didn't get anything into this week. I didn't get anything. I said the market was around here. So at that time, I didn't see the gap. Yeah, it was around here, and I said, okay, I think the market was here. It's gonna be coming up for a sell. Why? Let me show you what I saw. Let me show you. You can see the trend. You can see that the trend is a short market. You can see the trend. You can see it. Let me show you very clearly. So the trend is a short market. A market, so we're expecting it to come back to this point to react and then to react to our trend line as well. So that you can create an order flow, then accumulation, then begin to have a distribution. So it came back to where we waited it, but I didn't see the trade. I think I traded something else. I didn't watch it out, and I wasn't able to take this pair. I didn't know. I didn't know when it matures and everything. I didn't get to enter. I would have entered something around here also. So you see now, and it's selling. I believe this is still continuing to sell, but the market tends to react to the orders we have at this junction. Some liquidity we have at the junction that we're not trying to react to. Apart from that, we also give out GBPUSD. And I also said that what this same thing to also be selling. I didn't get anything for this pair too. Oh my god, shit! I didn't get anything for this pair as well. Okay, market was here. Is it here? Okay, is it, I think it was here. I said market gonna be coming up, then we can sell. I said those I want to buy should buy immediately. Then I'll be looking to sell at the last low here, at the last high here, because we have a double top here. So if market comes back to that point, it's gonna be what reacting to that. I told you the meaning of that in one of my videos. That is, if you want to purchase a fuel for $10, you once bought a fuel for $10 today, happens to be 31st of 30th of August, 31st, 30th of June, 30th of May, sorry, and then in the 2 weeks time, market pushes to from $10 to $1,000. That's crazy. You know what it costs you to fuel your car with such amount of money? You're gonna require much more. Am I talking? Of course. And all of a sudden, just one day, market that went to 1,000 came back to $10. What will be a reaction as a layman person? So that's what is happening here. So real life scenarios happens in the market as well. You just have to interpret it typically as a layman person. So you just have to what? Oh my gosh, what's this? I learned that fuel is now goes for $10. Are you serious? Really? Where? Then you definitely run to that police station and get as many as you can. So that is why it's going to that's the thing what's going to happen in the market. So when market comes back to places where it is low, people tend to be happy. Let me quickly buy because what I can make profit here. I can what I can purchase at a very purchasing low purchasing power here. I can save more money for myself and my family. Am I talking to somebody? So it induces everyone to wonder what we have at that junction. That's exactly what happened there. So I've explained something like that before. So many of our students that understand because we break forest down to the list that everyone can understand. So these are tips of it. If you join our trainings, we used to have mentorship on our platforms. We used to have free trainings at times, and we have signals as well. We will bisect this thing. We will bisect it for you, dissect everything for you, so that you can understand in the layman form, and it will never be frustrating or convincing for you anymore again. We have we have classes where we have moments where we have monthly quarterly and the likes for beginners, for intermediate. We have to get about trainers that will take you and break this down for you, that will walk you through and hold you by the hands and deliver results for you. So that is for that anyway. Let's continue. So that is on that, and it of course it came back to that point and did a double top, just like the way you did here again. Then you now reacted and it began to short, just like that. I think I also give you. I think I gave you CHF, GBPUSD CHF. I don't know. Do I give you CHF? Let me see. Okay, yeah, I gave you this one too. I didn't get an entry. I think I get you this one too. Market was here. Yeah, I can remember market was here. I was expecting it to react from this point, come back to this around here, then short. The market came back here and begin to create an order flow. I saw the security, this security forming. Then we shot there, thinking to stop here. Then we shot there. Immediately we shot. Immediately I saw the reaction. I opted out in small. I told you guys. I told you. I said this in the US. I opted out in small profit and told guys to leave in 10 pips. And market reacted back to destruction. And at this junction, I was already sleeping. It's very, very painful. As me, I was active, or it was doing London session, or New York, while I'm alive, while I'm awake. I should have definitely sniper killed this and make a lot of money from it. But at that time, it's matured around. This is CHF, so CHF can actually mature around Japanese, around Tokyo session and then Australian session. So this got to mature around Australian Tokyo session. So I couldn't pick it up. So I couldn't pick it up like that. So I missed this entering and then because I didn't move, I couldn't enter. I love to enter the sniper entering and killer so I can know what I'm mixing. But trying to enter as an impulsive move, I don't like it. Can you see the move? And it did about 110 pips. That's crazy. That's about 100 pips above. So that is that one we got correctly. That is three. Is it three or four? The gold one, we got it correctly, but market moved about 60 and then reversed. So I won't call that an accurate one. So that's three. That's three of among four. Which one again? Which one again? I'm actually remember. I think I gave you guys JPY. I don't know. Let me see. Did I give you JPY at all? I don't know if I gave you guys JPY. I don't know. So virtually everything we gave out last week played out. I guess I don't know. I can't remember again. There's something not all pairs that you analyze before the market opens that you get to pick up in case of the distraction. Sometimes you might see opportunity ahead of this one, my forms ahead of this one, and you begin to enter. You get to enter ahead of this one, and then by the time market opens, you've forgotten that you need to still get, and the pattern is already moving. You just have to focus on that. So I can't recall again which one I gave you for that week, but I'm sure anyone we do definitely must have played out perfectly well because we used to do our assignment diligently here. And that what makes me to tell you if you are not on our Telegram group, you're missing a lot. We have free signals, daily free signals that we drop on Telegram every blessed day. This very week we had about 12 signals where we lost 13. We lost just one. We killed 12 and we lost one. That's make it 13. That means we killed virtually everything. We used to have series of gold signals every blessed day. Why not join us on Telegram group and let's make money together? The sky is always big for everybody to make money. Thank you once again for joining me. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to comment below and drop your questions. Any of our support will attend to you and ask and provide answer to your question. Thank you for joining me once again and I wish you a profitable week ahead. Have a nice day guys. Bye for now. Peace out.